It's a double time. Welcome, y'all. I mean, now this cabbage was cabbage I had bought a long time ago. I think St. Patrick's Day, actually. It still was good. I had to trim some of the yucky stuff off, but it was still good. So I made coleslaw out of that. If not, I would have went out to the greenhouse and picked myself a head of cabbage. I got plenty of them. So I'm counting the cabbage as coming from the homestead. Nothing in the cornbread came from here. I just like cornbread swimming in butter. I mean, life is too short to eat life's too short to eat chitty food. We got to know what we're putting in our body. Now I got corn outside. It's growing. So, yeah, that could be from here. Strawberry jam, fresh strawberry jam from up the road from Mrs. Hurst's. I took her some greens and she just came back from someplace. So I'm thinking that somebody gave her the fresh strawberry jam because Mr. Hurst was a little slow when they pulled up in their truck and I was pulling out. I said, hey, I left greens on your door there. I put a clothespin on and they're hanging there. And she told him, give him the jam. Well, his arm didn't come shooting up with the jam too fast. He did a double take. He looked at her like, what do you mean give him the jam? So I wasn't refusing the jam because fresh, I mean, it tastes like strawberries. I don't think there's a whole lot of sugar in here. Now, the king rocks the cornbread, so that's good. Stover, they had corn on sale, two for $1.49. Or no, I'm sorry, four for $1.49. Bicolored corn. And my corn didn't germinate very well. And the king likes corn on the cob. Oh my gosh. Now, part one is part breast. The breasts were so big on this chicken. I took a small chicken now. Probably one of the smallest ones. The breasts were that thick. The meat, they were like this, the breast. This is half a breast. I cut them in half to fry them because then everything's about the same size, fries about the same speed. This is a thigh. Thank you all. Y'all made this happen sooner than it would have happened. Ha'oli, you get to share in the harvest. This recipe, 4 ingredients: Crisco. Well, 5. The chicken, Crisco. Hey, sit. Ha'oli, sit. And wait, stay. Crisco, no. 2 cups of flour. Teaspoon of salt. No. Quiet. Teaspoon of salt. Ha'oli. Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of pepper. That's it. I brined the chicken for 2 hours. 3 quarts of water. And hey, get down. No. No. She's like putting her head under the table, but she's still in my lap. Come sit. Haole, come sit. Hey, you want something? Smell that. Smell that. Do you want some of that? You better come sit. Sit. That's a good girl. Now be very gentle. Chew it. You're not getting much. Chew it. She's running back to her bed. That means that's a prized possession. She's going to enjoy it. It's so freaking good, guys. Thank you, everybody. Everybody has come here and helped me. Y'all should be proud. Everybody makes this happen. Well, the magic comes from the king's hands. Why would I ever want to go out and eat? Anyways, the chicken, the key on it, besides brining it, I guess, but brown it on medium high. Get all the pieces brown. Okay, so kind of cook it quick. Cast iron pan, 1 cup of Crisco, and then put a lid on it and turn it down to medium low. I literally turned the chicken at 12 minutes, so about halfway through, and then kept the lid on. It kind of steams it, I guess, and then jack the heat up after 25 minutes, take it back up to medium high, and crisp everything up. It's wonderful. Now, I chose a recipe that was very simple because I wanted to taste the chicken. I don't want to taste paprika, chili, barbecue, whatever you want to put in there. I want to taste the chicken. So that's what drew me to this recipe when I was looking online. The simplicity of it. So, this is the best fried chicken I've ever had. And I don't think it's a recipe. The chicken is so flavorful. Seriously, I mean, I know I sound like a salesman. Hey, yeah? Come here. Come sit. Come here. Sit. You're a good girl. Wow. Now you can sit, huh? Yeah. Hey, quiet. Oh, good girl. Quiet. Okay, be very nice. That's chicken. I don't know if she can decipher between these are my friends and chicken. Friends, chicken. It's crazy good, guys. Now that's the thigh. Okay, let's jump in, and I'm a breast man. Seriously, I like breast. Honest. Come on now. Think of the kids. Only it is so freaking good. Juicy, flavorful, quiet. You must try this. Good girl. You're a good girl. No barking. This recipe, at least on the recipe that I read, she said it was in her family for 125 years, cooking chicken this way, out of the South. Colonel Sanders, he ain't got nothing on this, seriously. This may be the new royal dish, the dish, for special occasions, folks. Now, the royal guests are coming. That's a special occasion. So I will duplicate this if ye will like it or want it. Oh, you're gonna want chicken again? Huh? You gonna want Daddy make this again? Was it tasty? The reason I made it, because it's been so freaking hot. I will eat cold chicken, fried chicken. I would eat it in a heartbeat. So, hey, quiet. Trying to think of some things that are cooler, you know, but this is so good. Tasty, 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 tasty. Quiet. Could be a 9 out of 10. Stop. 9 out of 10. Only thing that make it better is y'all were here. So we'll have this sometime soon, y'all.